We are scheduling for the Facebook group as well as scheduling for the Facebook page and scheduling for Instagram, but we're going to do it all through Meta or through Facebook. So this is the steps on how to do that. When I first get logged in, it's important to be logged in under the right page. So because I have full access to the page, it shows up on the top right hand corner. So that's one of our bigger main things. Next, what we're going to do is scroll down because this is the group, and we're going to paste in what it is, the um, the caption that we've put together. Put the caption in. We pull that from our content calendar, our communication guide, and we'll select the image there for photo video. Scroll down a little bit because sometimes it's not in view, and we'll select the image that goes with it. And next, what we're going to do is schedule the time that we want it to go. We click that little button on the bottom. I don't know if you saw it, it was so fast. It's like a little calendar here. Select the appropriate date. This is going to go up on the 21st. And the time that we wanted to post, that's again on the content calendar, and we'll hit schedule. Boom. So it's scheduled for the Facebook group. We can click on the left hand side to schedule posts, and we'll be able to see the posts that are in here. There's one for the 20th already, one for the 21st, one for the 24th. If we need to change them, we can hit reschedule because let's say you made a mistake. If you say, you know what, I need to post this now, you can just click post now, and you can edit it by clicking the three dots above the post, and you can do some other stuff. Save it, edit it, delete it, do all the things. Okay. So this is for the Facebook group. Next, we want to schedule for the Facebook page. Oh, so I don't have that pulled up automatically. So we'll have to do some moving around. We'll click that home button there. And on the left hand side, she already has it in her shortcuts under Grace for this. But what we're going to do is go to, well, we're going to go ahead and click on Grace for this. All right, so this is the page. Now that we're on the page, we're going to schedule here. To schedule here is a little different. This is also going to take us to the place to schedule for Instagram. So we'll be able to do both of them this way or in the same place. If you're trying to post right now, of course, you'll click on post what's on your mind and go on from there. We're not trying to do that. So let's click on Meta on the left-hand side. Let's see, did you see that? So we clicked on Meta Business Suite on the left-hand side. Has that little clock there. If that window doesn't open for you, there's this little button from the menu, and clicked on Meta Business Suite. It opened up a new window for us, which is absolutely fine. Now that we're inside this window, see it has the Facebook page and it also has the Instagram page. It's going to schedule for both of us. We can schedule direct from this page. Let's go to Planner on the left-hand side, and it opens up this window. From this window, we can click Create Posts on the top right, and it opens up this window. This is where we're trying to get to. All right, so now that we're here, we're going to copy the text from the content calendar, the communication guide. We're going to paste it in the text box. Up top, it has, this is going to post to the Facebook page. What we're going to do for this particular post, the content calendar is going to tell you what platform this is supposed to be posting to, as well as what time. We're going to go ahead and post them to both, just for the sake of saving time, and so you can see. If you want to post for one or the other, you just uncheck which one you do not want. Next, we'll go to add the photo or add the video. Put the image in, and scroll down a bit more. Most of the, most of the time, the caption for the Facebook page may be different for the caption in the Instagram page. So if you're posting them both at the same time, you'll want to customize. So now you're on Facebook, change your caption, click on this one, change your caption. In this instance, we're going to leave them exactly the same. Now, if you're posting a video, that's a whole nother place, unless it's a video in a carousel. We'll look at that in a minute. But nevertheless, we have said we're posting to two platforms. We have put the image in that we're going to put up. It's not a carousel, so we don't have to add any additional items to it. We're going to keep the same caption for both Facebook and Instagram. Now, the cool thing is we can do collaborators. If you know the collaborators and you can make it happen, great. If you don't know the collaborators, you can't make it happen, don't worry about it. Just move on, because this can become extremely time consuming, and there's a lot of different little things about that. So we're going to leave that like that. Scheduling options, one of the more important things. Again, we're scheduling for the page and we're scheduling for the page and Instagram. So it says scheduling and save as a draft are not available for Facebook posts with collaborators. So we're going to take this collaborator off so we can schedule like we need to. This needs to go up on the 21st because that's National Hugging Day. Put in the time, make sure it's on AM. We're going to go ahead and share it to the story. Okay, it's on always share, so that's great. It's public, that's perfect. And then we hit schedule and we're done. So we have covered how to schedule to, and this is an X, we're not posting any posts. We've covered scheduling to the Facebook group, the Facebook page, as well as the Instagram page. Today is not the 21st, but here's the 21st, and it has our two images here. It says this one is for Facebook, this one's for Instagram. That's the time for Facebook and the time for Instagram. When you click on that little picture icon at the bottom of the post, right there, it's going to show you what it's going to look like on the platform. You can hit publish now if you say, you know what, I need to post this right now. You click the three dots at the top. If you need to delete the post because maybe you did it by mistake, if you need to move it to drafts, if you want to save it and say, oh, I didn't mean to put this up yet, let me move it later. If you want to reschedule it, if you want to duplicate it, if you want to say, take the same exact post and schedule it for next year, January 21st, 2026, right? If you want to edit the post, that option's there. And you are all set and good to go. You have successfully scheduled on Facebook page, Facebook group, and Instagram. Congratulations.